how to replace the serpentine belt tensioner in your 1997 to 2004 C5 Chevy Corvette. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley.
To remove the tensioner pulley, you only need a ratchet and a 15mm socket. The first step is to put the socket and ratchet on the tensioner, and we're going to push it forward towards the driver's side and slide off the belt. The belt off, and just sit the belt underneath. There are two 15mm bolts holding on the tensioner. There's one right here, and the other one is right here. Use the 15mm socket and ratchet to remove the two bolts. Once you get them loose, you may be able to undo them by hand. It's the bottom bolt out. Top bolt and the tensioner. There's the two mounting points. Now I'm going to get the tensioner back on and put everything back together. Make sure to get the belt above the bolt.
Slide the belt back onto the tensioner, and this job is done.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.